And I wasn't even planning on sharing this. I've never talked about it, but I've been getting DMs and emails about it. I got one this morning from Sweet Bonnie, who was like, I need to know what that is. There's a lip gloss that you guys see me wear, or it's in my purse. This one's actually completely empty. I have more of them. So, backstory really quickly, I am an avid lip picker. And then I had a girlfriend just say that she used this because she had the same problem. Why I use it every night before bed. I use it every morning, first thing when I wake up. And when I'm not wearing makeup, I'll wear it like all day. But what I really love about it is that my lips are so like nourished, I feel like. But I have like bad lines because I chew the inside of my gums. I'm a picker chewer, y'all. It's just terrible. And I feel like it has started to slowly like smooth those out. That's it for those who are asking. That's the backstory.